Hola! Welcome to Mathematics Skills Book 1, Lesson 3, Biggest versus Smallest. Objectives. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to differentiate biggest and smallest, and you will be able to apply the concept of biggest and smallest in real life situation. Then you can answer worksheet independently. Materials. So these are the materials you need for this lesson. You need a workbook, pencils, a tablet, or a cell phone. Worksheet. So take note for this page of your workbook because you are going to answer this page after this lesson. Now let's begin the lesson. Biggest. Biggest spelled as B-I-G-G-E-S-T. Biggest. Kung sa Bisaya pa, biggest means pinakadako. Again, biggest means pinakadako. Another word we have here is the smallest, spelled as S-M-A-L-L-E-S-T. Smallest. Kung sa Bisaya pa, it means pinakagamay. Again, smallest, pinakagamay, biggest, pinakadako. Now let's have an example. Now, among these cars, which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest? Now let's start with the biggest. If you bet this green car, then you're right. How about the smallest? Yes, you're right. It's the yellow car. Great job. Okay, another example. Now, how about these balls? Which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest? Let's start with the biggest. Yes, it's the ball for basketball. How about the smallest? You're right. It's the tennis ball. Great job. Another. Now, how about these animals? Which one is the smallest and which one is the biggest? Now, let's start with the biggest. If you bet this cow, great job. It's the biggest. How about the smallest? Yes, you're right. It's the frog. Great job. Okay, next. Now, how about these fruits? Which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest? Let's start with the biggest. If you bet this watermelon, then you're right. How about the smallest? Yes, of course, it's the strawberry. Great job. Now, how about these shapes? Which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest? Let's start with the biggest. Yes, it's the heart shape. How about the smallest one? Yes, of course, it's the star. Great job. Okay, last one. How about these insects? Which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest? Let's start with the biggest. Yes, great job. It's the butterfly. How about the smallest? Yes, you're right. It's the ant. Great job. Now this time, for your hands-on, you have to make a self-video showing things or objects by comparing them which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest. So here's the content of your video. First, greetings, name, grade level, and school. Then start comparing things, at least two examples. When done, save it and submit to Class Dojo. And for your worksheet, so you have to answer page 3 of your worksheet set 1. See this page below. When done, take a picture, then submit to Class Dojo. I know you can do it, so do your best.